If you've lost your remote or just want to connect your Samsung soundbar to your subwoofer without it, don't worry, it's still totally possible. Just follow these simple steps. First, make sure the subwoofer and soundbar are placed close to each other. Keeping them near each other helps ensure a stronger connection and better signal pairing. Next, plug in the subwoofer to a power outlet. You'll notice the link indicator light on the subwoofer will start blinking, which means it's in pairing mode. Now, locate the ID button on the back of the subwoofer. You'll need a small pointed object, like a pen or paperclip, to press and hold the ID button. When you do this, the link light will blink rapidly, signaling that the subwoofer is ready to pair. Finally, plug in the soundbar to a power outlet. At this point, the link light on the subwoofer should change to a solid blue, which means the soundbar and subwoofer are successfully paired.